Hi there, this is Anchal Soni, and today I'm live to understand what kind of requirements do you have in terms of the video content that I create. I want to understand if there is any specific topic that I can cover which can help you get through your work. And yeah, so we can discuss all those things here. Do drop in the topics that you want me to cover in the chat box. And apart from that, if you're facing any issues, and if you think that I can be of help somewhere, then just do let me know and I can try to find some time and help you out. Do let me know how are you liking my videos, what changes do you want to see in my videos, if there is any specific pattern you want me to follow, I can do that as well. And lately I have been thinking of creating a series on fundamentals of Tableau for the people who are new in this ecosystem. So it would be a beginner level series, but I was a little skeptical. Uh, do let me know if you want me to cover all the basic topics in a series, and I should work on that. Although there's a lot of content available for beginner level in Tableau's website as well, and there are other resources as well. But if you think that you can easily understand the kind of content that I create, and the beginner level content should be the one of them, then I can take up that request. So I have a couple of comments coming on my channel. So one request was about whether we can create. Wait, I'll just tell you what was it. I think it was about resetting the parameters. So I will surely check this request. Som Bhumi. Um, Somebody asked me for my uh, custom tabs on dashboard. So somebody asked me if we need to publish all the dashboards on the server. So the answer is yes. You need to publish all the dashboards so that the actions would be enabled when you want to navigate from one dashboard to another. If you miss any one dashboard on which an action is applied, then you won't be able to navigate. So publishing worksheets is not necessary, but yes, dashboards is. Mm, okay, so we have another question. Is it possible to send dashboard through mail when click on dashboard button? Uh, which dashboard button? Can you please clarify this? It is possible to share your dashboard from Tableau server. There are a couple of options, like you can set alerts. You can share your dashboard as well by giving the email address. Any button or link on the dashboard? Yes, if you share your So, see, there's a guest access available in Tableau dashboard on Tableau server. So, with that guest access, what happens is if you share your dashboard link with anyone and there are no other permissions set on your dashboard and the guest access is enabled, in that case, anybody with the link will be able to access your dashboard. So there's an article as well on guest access in Tableau's website, I think. So I think you can just go and refer that. All right. Let me see here. Get access. Guest access. GUEST. Guest access. Guest access means anyone with the link can access your dashboard as a guest. They won't be able to make any changes in the dashboard, or perhaps I think they can't make any. They can make interactions, but they can't make any changes on the dashboard. But yes, they can surely see the dashboard and analyze it. Mm. Okay, there was another question about the aesthetics of the content that we have in our sheets. Can we add an underline which comes dimensions as vertical, as dynamic when we select? So, friends channel, this question is not clear to me. Maybe you can repost the question and I'll surely look into it. Mm, okay. So, I have seen a few comments where people have been suggesting that they are not able to um, uh, replicate the dashboards that I have been demonstrating in my videos. So, my request would be follow the process step by step as I have demonstrated in my videos, and you'll be surely able to get through what we want to achieve. Difference between relationship and join. So, when to use relationships and when to use join. I will try to cover this up in a video so that I'm able to provide you the most insights available. Um, and for now, we have been like, if I talk about the practical experiences, we have been using joins only, and it's better to implement your joins or combine your data in the data preparation stage itself instead of coming in Tableau and then joining the data. Okay, you want data blending as well? Okay, I will try to cover that up as well. Okay, I have started with shorts as well. So you can go to the shorts section in my playlist and see the quick tips which I've been sharing on Tableau. Um, and apart from that, if you want to um, know about any um, small issues in Tableau, just like whenever we click in Tableau sheet, it turns blue. This is just one example. There can be other things as well. So if you're facing any little issues which are not a big deal, but they do they they do make your aesthetics suffer, then just to let me know, and I can try to find out the ways or any workarounds if applicable. Yes, Ehsan, thank you so much. I'm glad that my videos have been helping you. Yes, LODs are there in my list. I will work on that video. Yes. And just let me know if in within LODs, if there is anything specific which you are not able to understand, then I'll try to add that topic in my video. Otherwise, if there is just basic information which is already available over the internet, then it would be another copy of LODs for you. So if there's anything specific that you want to understand, just let me know. Okay, somebody also asked me about how are Tableau jobs these days. So yes, it is not just about Tableau. You have to keep upskilling yourself. So with Tableau comes SQL. You should know SQL really well, and just I would suggest don't just rely on Tableau or SQL. Try to add more technologies to your skill set. It can be at the data engineering side or in the data science side, but yes, just don't rely on one tool or one technology. So keep upskilling yourself because you never know when a specific kind of knowledge is required in a project. Yes, Ehsan Afzal, you can email me your challenges. Uh, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. So just drop me a message and share the challenges that you face, and I will try to take that up. Right. Okay, so for data engineering, it depends upon your interest set where you want to go. Just go on the internet and try to understand the entire process. There are various technologies involved at each stage, and just try to understand, like, as per your interest set, where do you want to go. But as basic note, I think you should know Python. You should know any one ETL tool, which can be of help, because when you know one tool, it is easier for you to switch to any other competitor tool. So, yeah, uh, better you understand one tool and try to identify your interest set and map it with the stage in data engineering or wherever, anywhere else. Okay, I have been getting a lot of requests to understand the pop-up option in pop-up parameter, like the show hide parameters that we do. So I have done, I think, 3 videos on pop-up parameters. So there were some people who were not able to replicate it. So there is a, certain pattern when you work with parameters. Sorry, not parameters, containers. So whenever you want to pull in any sheet or bring in any other container within a base container, so you get those gray marks where you want to put down your container or sheet. So accordingly the behavior will change. So follow my videos, because um, I have specifically mentioned that whenever you see this specific mark, only then drop your sheet, because only then you'll be able to replicate that behavior. All right. Okay, I have also seen a lot of requests coming in where they are a, a custom requirement for a specific feature. For example, if there is YTD, QTD, MTD, some people want to visualize it a specific way, or and in those cases you have written to me to understand how we can actually solve this. First, try your hands out on that specific requirement and write to me the problem you are facing, so that I have an understanding that you have already gone through the process and this is a specific case where you have got stuck. um what do you Can you make video on visualization alert? Are you talking about the alerts that are there on Tableau server? Then can you please elaborate your question? Email alerts, yeah, it's there on Tableau server, right? Okay, I think in that case, if this is different, the Viz alert that you're talking about, um, then just write to me on LinkedIn and I will try to look into it. Um, okay, guys, I'll be there for another 1 minute. And if you have anything else that you want to ask with regards to Tableau, I'll try to help you out right here. Otherwise, you can also write to me on my LinkedIn channel, and I will help you. Okay, people have also asked me about how to improve the performance of a dashboard. So, there's a lot of stuff about dashboard performance improvement on the internet, but the most important thing is to identify that why your dashboard is not performing the way it should be doing. So once you identify that thing, you'll be able to implement the right solution. Otherwise, there are common solutions available, but certain times those solutions don't help us because there can be a specific problem, and those solutions might not map. So try to identify the problem with the performance of your dashboard using the performance recording that you get in dashboard. Try to record your dashboard's performance and identify the pain areas, and then you will be able to implement the right solution. Custom SQL with parameter. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the pros and cons of using custom SQL, and then above all with parameter, it is not advisable to use custom SQL when you have especially large data set, because it may impact your dashboard's performance. So yeah, um, try to find a workaround. It's easy, it's not difficult. It's just writing a simple SQL query in Tableau desktop just to fetch the data that you want. So if you know SQL, you'll be able to write those queries. If it's a large data set, then why don't you switch to extract? But still, okay, I leave the choice to you. You ultimately you have to decide what is better for your dashboard, and ultimately you have to communicate the right message to your users. So take your call. Just um, it's not difficult. Yeah, it's not difficult. You have to just write a simple SQL query in the custom SQL option. You get a window, write your custom SQL query, and hit enter and give your parameters. So you're talking about parameters over here. So just give your parameters. It's not that difficult. Okay, guys, I'll end this live over here. And yeah, important thing is let me know if you want a series on the fundamentals of Tableau. That is more important for now because I want to list down the video content that I have to do. So lately, I have been thinking to do this for beginners. So starting from installing Tableau until creating a dashboard. So I wanted to do a simple, very basic series on this one, but I want to understand whether this is actually required or not. So if you want me to explain the things in the basic series, let me know. Yes, Hasib Basha. Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Tell me. Okay, people have been asking about my Tableau public profile as well. So, yeah, I don't publish these workbooks on Tableau public because I want you people to work on exactly have a hands on experience on your Tableau workbooks. Follow my videos and then, implement each and everything. Um, so, yeah, that is the objective. Okay, there's a question how to do refresh Excel file at Tableau server. Sorry, I don't get your question. What do you mean by refreshing your Excel file? Are you talking about the through shared drive? Are you talking about the data source, which is your Excel file placed on your shared drive and that you're using in your workbook on Tableau server? Okay, so yes, is your answer Hasib Basha. What issues are you facing? Can you please tell me, because I haven't used an Excel file which is placed on my shared drive. I haven't used it on Tableau server ever. So if you let me know what issues you're facing, or if you can share me the screenshot of the issue that you're facing, it would be easier for me to understand. Same here. So even you haven't used it. Why don't you try it yourself and then come up with the issue that you're facing? Just need to publish your data source on Tableau server. Just link the there is an option in Tableau server to establish a direct connection with your data source. So over there you need to provide the connection details. It's not just with shared drive, but with any other data source that you might have, whether it is AWS Redshift or any other. There you can establish a connection with your database. You just need to give the connection details, and yeah, you'll have it done. Try it, it's not difficult. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do a video on Tableau server because I don't have one. So yeah. If you share these screenshots, then yeah, definitely we can try to find a workaround. Aditi Mishra, hi. I would like to connect with you in person for some query. Okay, Aditi. What kind of query is it? If you can give an idea, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, and I'll try to help you out. Okay, Aditi is saying that she wants to connect with me related to Tableau scenario based questions that are used in projects. Okay, Aditi, in that case, just write to me on LinkedIn, and I'll try to help you out. Hasib Basha, can you share your email ID, please? Hasib, can you please try to connect with me on LinkedIn? Because I don't want to get bombarded with so many emails that I lose out on the important ones. If I think it is really necessary, then I will share my email address, and then, we can share the workbooks and get a workaround for your problem. But yeah, the objective is that I don't want to lose out on important information. Okay, you have sent me the connection request. Yes, I will check it. Hasib Basha, Sony, I don't have LinkedIn. You should have then. It's important. You're welcome, Aditi. All right, guys, I will end this live over here. It was nice connecting with you people, and yeah, do let me know about the the fundamental Tableau series that I was talking about. You can just drop in your comments on my videos, especially about this fundamental series for Tableau. Otherwise, drop a message on LinkedIn, and yeah, I will plan accordingly. It was nice connecting with you all. Thank you.